What's up, guys? It's me, AllDayAliDiB, and welcome back to my channel. Today is the very first thrifting video of 2020 for my channel, so yay! And come through with the thrifting videos in 2020, y'all, because this is what I really started my channel for, is my love of thrifting, styling, and fashion. Okay, so we're coming through bright and early with the thrifting videos in 2020. But before we get into this video, guys, if you have not already, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification to join the AllDayAliDiB family over here on YouTube. What are you guys waiting for? Our channel is full of fashion, thrifting, DIYs, lifestyle, fitness, a little bit of food, and a whole lot of fun. It's something for everyone on the channel. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. Your girl will greatly appreciate your support and welcome you into the family with open arms. So with that being said, without further ado, let's jump into today's video, which again is my top 4 tips for thrifting like a pro in 2020. All right. Now, I know thrifting has been so popular and all the rave for the past few years, yet some of you still do not know how to go into a thrift or a consignment store and score those key pieces that you are looking for. So your girl is here to help you out. Okay, tip number 1. Assess your current wardrobe. Look through your closet, look through your drawers, find out those pieces or search out those pieces that no longer serve a purpose, that no longer serve your style needs, that no longer give you that oomph when you put it on, or is like outdated, trendy, like any of those. Make sure you're not buying double of the same thing. So that's why tip number 1 is assess your current wardrobe, assess your current closet. If they are not serving, if those pieces are not serving you any purpose anymore, what is the purpose for them being there? They can go. You can donate them. You can sell them on Poshmark. Your girl will also be uploading a video soon on how to list your clothes or your items, accessories on Poshmark. So be sure to come back and check out that video at a later date. But back to the subject at hand. Yes, assess your current wardrobe and closet. If it does not fit, if it is stained, if it has rips or tears that cannot be repaired, toss them, get rid of them. Okay, now we've done that. We've assessed what we want, what we don't want. Tip number 2. Before you walk into any thrift store, consignment store, flea market, yard sale, have a budget in mind. Never go into a thrift store without knowing how much you want to spend on pieces. Point blank, period. The key way to not overspend is to set a budget. Usually when I go thrifting, I have a budget of maybe $25, $30. And I'm like, no matter what it is, I am not paying anything over that. So set a budget. What will help you stick to that budget is go thrifting on days where you know there is a sale. Most stores have sales on Wednesdays or Sundays. Check with your local thrift stores before you go out to see if you can get any student discounts, senior citizen discounts, if there are any specific memberships that you can do. Like a thrift store that I go to is Park Avenue Thrift Store. They have a text club. So if you join their text club, you usually get a text message that will give you 25 to 50% off your total purchase, which keeps you on or under budget. Your girl is usually always under budget because I'm a shoppanista. Okay. I'm a shoppanista. Okay. So have a budget in mind. Tip number 3, have an open mind. What I mean by having open mind when you're going thrifting, don't go in looking for a specific piece or garment, especially if you're trying to mimic or replicate a trendy or popular item that's out or piece that is out. Chances are you're not going to find those trendy type of pieces. So what I would suggest is keep an open mind. Keep to classic, sleek, streamlined silhouettes, cuts, fabrics. All of that type of stuff will keep you basically timeless. You can wear it now or later. Makes me think of candies. Now or later. Anyway, yeah. Keep an open mind. Also, with an open mind, let's just say, for instance, I wear a size 14, 16. Yet, if I see a piece that is an 18 or a 20, I know how to sew, so I could get away with buying a piece that is a size too big, because you can always get it tailored, you can always get it altered, you can always make it smaller. Stay away from things that are too small, unless, again, you are good at adding fabrics or adding embellishments to make the garment stretch. That's what I mean by keep an open mind, okay? And lastly, tip number 4. It is similar to tip number 3, but what I feel is great for thrifting in 2020 or thrifting in general, like, always look for those timeless pieces that you can wear over and over again. Those investment pieces, those pretty little black dresses, the black shirts, the button downs, simple, clean, crisp lines. Yet, I do want you to have fun while thrifting, so explore picking out bold patterns, bold colors. Have fun, and take your time looking through the clothing racks. My sister is a stapler for going into any store, whether we're thrifting or grocery shopping, and wanting to pick up the first thing that she sees that she feels like can fit her. That is a no-no. Don't do that. Look for those timeless classic pieces that will get you from year to year. Investment pieces that will transition with you. Yeah, those are my 4 tips for you guys on thrifting like a pro in 2020. If you found these tips helpful and you want to see more videos like this, please be sure to give your girl a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below in the comment section. Let me know what you want to see on the channel more in 2020. I also would like to do more thrift with me type videos. So if you are interested in seeing those type of videos and more videos like this on the channel, be sure to let your girl know, and I will be sure to film more of what you want to see. Be sure to also leave me a comment. I would love you guys' feedback, and I would also love your participation in the family. That's the part of being in a cool family. Everyone gets a say-so and an opinion, and it is respectfully honored. With that being said, this is your girl AllDayAliDiB. Happy thrifting, happy new year. See you guys on the next video. Love you all, and there's nothing you can do about it. Mwah!